Time for mini news sesh. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's mini news. We have Hayden with us here today. Hayden, what do we have?
Hi, so my mini news today has to do with Twitter's new plan to launch the advanced search options in mobile. So this is something new that has been in the works for a while, but is now getting closer to a launch date. This launch will allow users to a new range of filters and options to really hone in on your Twitter search and make more optimized decisions when looking for different searches. Twitter's advanced search on mobile will provide you with a range of additional options when searching for content. This will include, you can search accounts by who they're mentioned by, the date range that they were tweeted, personal mentions, hashtags, likes, and retweet counts.
Very neat. That's cool. I feel like, that's something I feel like people have been asking for quite a long time. That was like such an easy kind of, I feel like it would be an easy functionality to kind of add, but I'm glad they finally kind of like kicked that in and allowed us to do some of those things, search by some of those different metrics, I should say. So that's cool.
Absolutely. All of these qualifiers are actually already built into the app in some form, but none of them have been available on mobile until now. Well, they will be available very soon. So you've actually not been able to search anything on Twitter besides just the profile name as it is now. So you'll be able to use these additional search parameters when conducting a tweet search on individual users' profiles. So this feature will help you find that one tweet you saw that one time from forever ago that you haven't ever been able to find again. So this will be your go-to quick option on finding those tweets from forever ago.
I think that's super important too, as people especially professionally, people are like talking about like, oh, like Twitter's been around for a long time and they might have had it when they were in college or in high school and said some dumb stuff. And I know people like have to like scrub their entire Twitter to make sure they didn't say anything stupid when they were younger. And so I think that's the first thing that actually comes to my head is like everybody, especially as you get into, out of college into your professional life, people really have to make sure they're staying sharp and they're projecting the image of themselves that the company would also want them to represent. So it's I think that'll also be kind of something like you mentioned, like the ability to go back and kind of make sure you didn't say anything super stupid or anything like that. That's interesting.
Absolutely. It's definitely been a feature that people have been wanting for a while, and it's an addition that's just now coming along. Elon actually tweeted recently himself that he said, "Search within Twitter reminds me of InfoSeek in '98. That will get a lot better pronto." So I thought that was very funny and very relatable to where we're at right now on Twitter. So this, I think, will also be very helpful for businesses and interior designers when trying to search for something specific within your field or just trying to find, that one tweet that you're looking for. So if someone is specializing in interior design, you'll be able to easily search a wide range of different topics within that using this new Twitter advanced search option. So being able to find those tweets within the large pools is going to be amazing. And it'll also be a great way to identify the tweets that are currently trending by, if you search for a tweet with a large retweet account, you can see the tweets that are really gaining traction within the platform and duplicate that for your own business.
Yeah, it's great. That makes a lot of sense. I think, like you said, I think a lot of interior designers are going to find that really valuable too. So that's awesome.
Absolutely. Stay tuned for the update coming very soon. They said that they will start implementing this and testing this on accounts here in the very near future.
Good deal. We'll definitely stay tuned for that. And thank you so much. All right, guys, that's this week's mini news. And we'll see you again next week. Have a good one.
Mini news sesh. Yeah.